Hi everyone, we meet again for one more 11th standard session. Again for trigonometry. With trigonometry के continuous 3-4 lecture हो गए. This is the 5th one I think. Because all these are useful formulae and this particular problem was from JEE. Derivative sum है. Okay. Based on 11th standard important formula which we saw the other day. देखते हैं दोस्तों क्या है. Let us go back to the problem straight away. Find d by dx of all this. Root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus root of 2 plus 2 cos 16x. अभी पढ़ने के लिए इतना डिफिकल्ट है तो आप सोचोगे सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे. नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट फॉर सॉल्विंग फ्रेंड्स, विल सी. देखो क्या किया है. फॉरगेट अबाउट डी बाई डी एक्स. डी बाई डी एक्स छोड़ दो. हाउ टू सिंप्लीफाई इनसाइड द स्क्वायर रूट साइन वो देखेंगे. सिंप्लीफाइंग इनसाइड द स्क्वायर रूट साइन वी आर गोइंग टू यूज ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फॉर्मूले, राइट. सो लेट अस सी दिस फर्स्ट. 2 plus 2 cos 16x. I am taking 2 common. जहां पे 2 कॉमन लेने वाला हूं वहां पे एरो ड्रॉ करने वाला हूं. सो टेक 2 कॉमन फ्रॉम दिस. क्या मिला अंदर? 2 कॉमन 1 plus cos 16x, राइट. 2 कॉमन 1 plus cos 16x. Now I have underlined this. Which formula that day I told you, 2 very important formula, most commonly used everywhere. JEE, CET, 12th. 1 plus cos theta. How do you remember? कैसा याद रखना है? 1 plus cos, 2 cos squared half the angle. 1 minus cos, 2 sin squared half the angle. So 2 cos squared theta by 2. So 1 plus cos 16x will be 2 cos squared 16x upon 2. Theta by 2 यानी मीनिंग क्या है? 16x upon 2. तो 16x upon 2 is 8x. देखो एंगल के अंदर you are allowed to cancel. So 2 cos squared 8x is this value. Clear? By using the formula 1 plus cos theta. If you want to pause, go back, see, come back. So after using the formula for 1 plus cos 16x, यहाँ पे substitute करो over here. So inside the third root sign, you get 2 into 2 cos squared 8x. This value. ये 2 ऐसा ही है. 2 cos squared 8x यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट किया. क्लियर? 16x का हाफ 8x. Whenever possible to divide, you divide. 16x upon 2, 8x. The other day sometimes we got 5x upon 2. We 5x upon 2 आया तो you can't say 5 upon 2 is 2.5. Keep it as 5x upon 2. But here 16x upon 2 is 8x. So you get 2 into 2 cos squared 8x. 2 into 2 gives you 4. 4 cos squared 8x inside the third square root side. We are just simplifying now. तो ये simplify किया third square root side में. So d by dx of root of 2 plus root of 2 plus square root of 4 cos squared 8x. Now, simple algebraic formula, square root लेना है. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of cos squared is cos. Simple. I've just taken the square root now. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of cos squared is cos. ये 2 पहले से है, उसका कुछ स्क्वायर रूट नहीं लिया. So inside this root sign now, what do I get? 2 plus 2 cos 8x स्क्वायर रूट लेने के बाद वापस एरो ड्रॉ किया है. Again take 2 common. So inside this square root sign, when I take 2 common, what do I get? 2 into bracket 1 plus cos 8x. 1 plus cos 8x इतना रह गया. So what is the procedure? You must have recognized now. Take 2 common, use this formula. 1 plus cos theta. Again take 2 common, again use that formula. अभी देखो यहाँ पे 2 common लिया है. 1 plus cos 8x. If you use this formula, 1 plus cos theta, 2 cos square theta by 2. So यहाँ पे अगर मैंने 1 plus cos 8x लिखा, so what do I get? 2 cos squared 8x upon 2. 2 cos squared theta by 2. Remember, 1 plus cos is 2 cos squared. So 8x upon 2 is 4x. Right? So 8x upon 2 is 4x. You have to multiply by this 2 also. So 2 into 2 gives you 4 cos squared 4x. We are simplifying for the second square root sign. So 4 cos squared 4x. Now again take the square root. Simple algebra. After multiplying by 2 into 2, 4. हमेशा square root of 4 is 2. Square root of cos squared is cos. गलती से square root of 4x मत लेना. Because 4x is an angle, you cannot touch it. So इसका square root लिया, इसका square root लिया. So here you can make a silly mistake. यहाँ पे silly mistake avoid करनी है. Square root of 4x नहीं ले सकते. Okay? So we are saying all the micro detail also. कहाँ पे silly mistake कर सकते हो, वो avoid करनी है. Okay, अभी ये सब हो गया. There only one square root sign remains. Thankfully. सब चले गए. अभी प्रॉब्लम रीड करने के लिए तो आसान हो गया है. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 plus 2 cos 4x. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 4 is 2. Again take 2 common. Only one square root sign is there. Inside that square root sign take 2 common. What remains? 1 plus cos 4x. देखो एक ही स्क्वायर रूट साइन है. 1 plus cos 4x. 2 कॉमन लेने के बाद क्या करते हैं? 1 plus cos theta. 2 cos squared theta by 2. So I'll write here now. 1 plus cos 4x now. So 1 plus cos यानी 2 cos squared half the angle. That is 4x upon 2. 4x upon 2 कितना है? 2x. Right? Every time, third time we are using this formula. 2 common निकालना, formula use करो. So 4 cos squared 2x, then take the square root as usual. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of cos squared is cos. ये दोनों का square root लेना है. So 2 cos 2x. All root signs are gone. What remains is only 2 cos 2x. Now we have to find the derivative of 2 cos 2x, friends. Simple. D by dx means derivative with respect to x of this function. So what is the basic rule? Take the constant aside into derivative of cos 2x. 2 constant बाहर लेने का, derivative of cos 2x. We all know derivative of cos is minus sine. So derivative of cos is minus sine 2x. Now this part into d by dx of 2x is called as chain rule, which is the first chapter of 12th standard. I am just introducing you to that concept. Okay. So what is that concept? Derivative of cos x is only minus sine x. But because you are having 2x over here, क्या करना है? After taking the derivative of cos as minus sign, you have to take the derivative of 2x also, d by dx of 2x. See, you are forming a chain. So derivative of cos first and then take the derivative of angle also because it is a different angle. This method is called as chain rule or derivatives of composite functions, which you are going to learn later on in the 12th standard का पहला chapter है. Okay, so minus sin 2x, derivative of 2x is 2 into 1. 2 is a constant, derivative of x is 1. So minus 2 into 2 minus 4 sin 2x is the final answer. Everywhere we have used 11th standard basic formula 1 plus cos theta. Last step में सिर्फ derivative लिया है. And we have used a concept called as chain rule. Okay, derivative of cos into d by dx of 2x also. Because we are forming a chain like this, it is called as chain rule. समझ में आया? Okay. This was one JEE problem for derivatives where we used the concept of trigonometric formula 1 plus cos theta. In case you had 1 minus cos theta, अगर 1 minus cos है तो क्या करना है? 1 minus cos means 2 sin squared theta by 2. Clear? Okay. Let us take one more sum now for a concept which we saw 2 days back. This is from the textbook. Okay, let us see what is given. It says prove that cos x upon 1 plus sin x cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 and equal to इट मीन्स पहले ये प्रूव करना है बाद में लास्ट है देखो LHS सोचो कुछ याद आ रहा है 1 plus sin x is combined with cos x उस दिन बताया था so we have been served combo 2 in combo 1 we get sin x upon 1 plus or minus cos x उल्टा देते हैं this is combo 2 सो कॉम्बो 2 के फॉर्मूले हैं हमारे पास. For cos x I am going to write cos squared x by 2 minus sin squared x by 2. Sir, we have seen all this. For 1 plus sin x cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर है. 1 plus cos x का अभी देखा है, वो कॉमन फॉर्मूला है. 1 plus sin x कॉम्बो 2 रेयर है. As soon as you get cos squared x by 2 minus sin squared x by 2, a squared minus b squared. उस दिन भी किया था, a squared minus b squared, a minus b, a plus b. a minus b, a plus b. बराबर. cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर. कॉमन स्टेप को पहले भी किया था हम लोग ने. So what remains? Okay, this has been converted into this. Simple. Now this should be converted into this. What is your logic? थिंकिंग प्रोसेस क्या है बताओ. सोचो, ये इसमें कन्वर्ट करना है तो थिंकिंग प्रोसेस क्या रहेगा. यहां पे 1 है, यहां पे 1 है. यू हैव टू गेट 1 एट दिस पोजीशन एंड दिस पोजीशन. हाउ विल यू गेट 1 एट दिस पोजीशन? sin x by 2 upon sin x by 2 will be 1. So it means you have to divide each term by sin x by 2. You are not allowed to divide only one term. हर एक टर्म को sin x by 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 2 स्टेप में आंसर आ जाएगा. Finished. Sin x by 2 cancels, you get 1 here. Sin x by 2 cancels, you get 1 here. So हमारा थिंकिंग प्रोसीजर क्या था? In this step, you have to get 1. ये पोजीशन पे 1 लाना है, ये पोजीशन पे 1 लाना है. It means sin x by 2 को कैंसिल करना है. कैंसिल कब होगा? When you divide each term by sin x by 2. तो हर एक टर्म को sin x by 2 से डिवाइड किया. ऐसा थिंकिंग प्रोसेस है अपना. सो cos x by 2 अपॉन sin x by 2, फाइनल स्टेप, फाइनल आंसर. cos अपॉन sin cot x by 2 माइनस 1. cos अपॉन sin cot x by 2 प्लस 1. दैट इज आवर RHS. हो गया. So two things we saw in this sum. Combo 2 recognize करने हैं. Combo 2 के फॉर्मूले यूज करने के बाद whenever you get this, usually you have to get tan or cot. For that, you have to divide each term of the 4 terms by sin x by 2. अगर यहां पे 1 चाहिए तो divide each term by cos x by 2. Simple logic. Okay? राइट. सो वी विल स्टॉप हियर टुडे. वापस देखो दोनों सब इंपॉर्टेंट है. वी विल मेट इन 2 days टाइम. बाय.